Okay, so just one last thing here is it's a negative 11 fourths, comma, f of a negative 11 fourths. Okay, and so that we try and make sure and get this right, 11 divided by 4 is 2.75, and that's negative. So in the end, it's 2. F of a negative 11 fourths is basically, I'm going to take this and put a negative 2.75 in here. 2 times a negative 2.75 minus 3 times a negative 2.75 plus 7 looks to be that it is a negative 48. So a negative 2.75 comma negative 48.9. Okay, there's my vertex, there's my y-intercept, there's my 2x intercepts. Let's graph it and finish this off. Okay, so I've got a negative 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3 here and here are my x-intercepts. I've got a y-intercept at negative 41. I'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I've got a y-intercept at negative 41 right there. Then I've got a vertex at negative 2.75, which is right around here. And then it's right there. Well, negative 48, sorry. And so my parabola is something along those lines. Okay, it's actually a really tall, skinny parabola. Since I stretched my scale here, it looks a little fatter. And so now it looks like my range is y is greater than or equal to a negative 48.9. My domain, x is an element of the real numbers. My minimum is y is equal to a negative 48.9, and my axis is x negative 2.75. Okay, and there's all of my points of interest and data. Okay, and so that finishes up the sample test, first half of the sample test.